some people, I'm Athar and this is my super fun channel. Get ready for smiles, surprise and lots of learning.
Hello awesome people, do you know that these earbuds can be fun and do power shots? Now let's make a bow and an arrow. So you need to do it like this and bend another one like this. Then take a rubber band and now take another rubber band and do the same thing. So let's add another rubber. It can go like this. Guide it so it will take you a few tries to get the rubbers in. So if it doesn't work in the first try, don't be sad. So let's do the other side. This side is the same. Be careful, you need to fold it. So let me do it like this. You need a scotch tape. You can take any tape. Then to the sides. So let's start this one. Just do it like usual. What to say? And you need to take a big rubber band. You need to make a knot. I made this one before. So now let's put them. And then slide it over here with these ones. Take another rubber band. Do the same thing. So both the rubber bands should be near each other. So the bow and arrow is finished, and I take one of grilling sticks and measure how much I want from this one. Then so I made these ones. You can use earbud as arrow or a grilling stick. And if you don't know how to use bow and arrow, let me teach you. So first you can hold it like this, and I They're bigger ones, so you can use like this one, this is tiny one, or like this one. Then load an arrow, fix it in the rope. Don't put it like this, otherwise it will not launch. Don't put your hand in the arrow and then just let go of it. Shoot it like that. For this one, put it like this. Take it back. This one is a little short, so you can use other ones. So let me do a target. So just take the arrow. Don't take it so all over here. Don't take it too hard. Just do it like this and then let go. Let me do one. I need this one too. So let me try this one too. Sometimes if you're trying like that, it can happen to go like this. So it will take many tries to do it. I'm doing this side, this side. Thank you for watching. You can watch my other videos in my channel. Bye.
Subscribe now and ding ding the bell. Magic is coming. Share it with everyone, please.